Alright, 3Gs guys. Well, I'm having trouble with my car getting it to start. And noticed a couple things the other day while trying to start that the voltage would zero out. And obviously right now it's not a zero. But what I've been doing is leaving the ground on the battery and then checking some other spots just to see if I had any kind of weird drop. And I've been checking it down by the starter. I thought the starter was the problem, but when I came back to check it today, I had when I turned the key, it had absolutely no dash lights or anything. So I checked the voltage at the battery, and I had my 12 volts. It's not going to focus. And then I didn't. So at one point, I checked on top of my main post of my battery right here, and only had 5 volts. So what I think is happening is I think I've got either a bad ground or just a plain bad connection. These battery terminals, I kind of cobbled them on there, and I did a video about it a couple weeks ago, and now I think it's come back to haunt me, because I think I've either got a bad ground wire or just a bad connection overall. I really don't think there's anything wrong with the fuse box. I think it's just a bad ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if I can maybe replace this ground wire before I do anything major. I'd really like to get it in the garage where I can work on it. It's kind of halfway raining today, and then I can go through and check all the connections a lot better. I did check this main connection right here. I just loosened up and looked at it, and it's good. So yeah, that'll be a 2-minute video, but I'm suspecting it's just a bad ground or bad connection someplace up here. A little weird that I wasn't getting any kind of dash lights or anything, any controls from the front, and then even the headlights wouldn't come on. And now that I wiggled a bunch of wires around, I got my headlights to come on a little bit and some other stuff. I hadn't hit the starter yet, and I'm probably not going to. I thought about trying to roll start it. I kind of am on a hill, but I don't think it's going to go off. I still may try it here, but primed the fuel pump a few times. Let's see, I might just do that. That'd be a lot better getting me in the garage. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. So it looks like it's got some kind of bad connection someplace. I'm gonna need to work on that. Alright, we'll see you later.